What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Timon, and today we're going to be installing the PRL 3-inch front pipe. So let's get to it. Hey, peep the front pipe, kid. Look at the welds. Looks crazy. Bah, 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 bah. Shit. Alright guys, we are currently on in the car. And I got the MAPerformance exhaust, and I think it came with like an adapter to connect to the stock front pipe. So we're gonna be taking these 3 bolts off. It's a 14mm socket you guys are gonna need to use. All right guys, so you also want to take off this metal trays. There's gonna be a couple 10mm bolts. You gotta get like a small flathead or screwdrivers and just twist all of it out to get this heat shield, under heat shield out. No, I just pushed it off.
Can we put that
Actually, there's one more right here, Justin.
We put that on last time, right?
Yeah, we did.
Too hard. The other one was easy.
I know. Alright, so here's the under shield that we just got out. So here's the stock front pipe with the 271 rear motor mount. So we gotta take this out too. The rubber hanger. I'm gonna spray some WD-40 on that rubber hanger so it can come out more smoothly. Hopefully we're not gonna be fighting with that for like 2 hours. Alright guys, we had to take these 3 14mm bolts, and we had to use a heat gun because they were so rusted on there for a good 2 hours fighting with it, but we finally got it loosened and we're gonna take it out now.
We're good.
Good?
Yep.
All right, and that is it. So this is the adapter piece because I had the MAPerformance race exhaust and I needed the small adapter piece right here to connect to the stock front pipe. So that's why it looks like that. All right guys, so now that we got the front pipe on the exhaust side all loosened up and out, we're gonna go ahead and do the front pipe that's connected to the downpipe right here, and it has 3 5/16 hex or Allen wrench right here that we're gonna loosen up. We've already loosened it, but one here, another here, and one right here that's connected to the PRL 3-inch downpipe. And boom! Yes sir! Now we're probably gonna have to take out a couple of the heat shield, or probably one, and remove it from that rubber hanger right here. And then we're gonna have to somehow fiddle the front pipe out of the way. Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
Here.
It looks like it's pulled halfway already. Yeah, as soon as you pull it off that, it's easy. I don't know how. I mean, I don't have room to pull it.
But I'm thinking we're gonna have to take the heat shield out right here to have more room for the front pipe to go through, because it's hitting it from the top. So I think it's just held on by one 10mm bolt or 2. That one and this one for it to be loosened at least, so we can slide it through. All right guys, so we finally got the stock front pipe out. Here's the difference in comparison with the PRL front pipe. Sheesh, the thing's huge and thick. Look at that. And it was a pain to get that out. Super pain. Had to twist it, contort it all types of way. Now we gotta do it with this one. Oh god. All right guys, so PRL gave you all the screws and bolts you need and gaskets. So we're just gonna put this on here and call it a day, and then try to put everything back together, and then we're gonna see the first startup. It's cold as out here. It's like, what's the temperature today? 20 degrees?
This melt the gasket.
Never again. Yeah, so that's the gasket. So when you put it on it, right, it'll like slowly melt and create like
metal one.
Yeah, it'll create like a metal thick foam gasket to cover.
Yeah,
All right, guys. So we just put the PRL front pipe through. It was actually way easier to put the rubber on it and slide the PRL front pipe under here. So now we're gonna connect it with all the bolts and stuff they provided and gaskets, and we're gonna give it a first start. All right, guys. So we just installed the front pipe. It's so cold. It's so cold. We're gonna make sure there's no exhaust leaks or anything. So this is gonna be the first startup. All right, guys, my bad for that last clip. The GoPro battery died and I had to get a new one. But here's how it sounds, and we're gonna give it a little rev. Justin, you wanna rev it a little?
I got you.
Hey. Yeah. Sheesh. Head gasket. Sheesh.
Sounds a lot better.
I know, Jesus. I didn't think it was gonna be that much louder. I'm gonna get pulled over. That's it.
How loud is it outside?
Huh?
How loud is it?
Oh, you wanna hear it?
Yeah.
Here, hold it. Another clip.
That shit mad loud now.
It's louder, right?
It's loud. That was the turbo.
Hey. Yeah, that small whistle is the turbo.
Yeah, I forgot your car.
Yeah. Yeah.
Turbo.
But yeah, that's it, everyone. We'll probably get some more exhaust clips with a full 3-inch turbo back exhaust in a later video. But oh, it's freezing out. Thanks,
real.
brother.
You know
Thanks,
vibe.
brother. Hey, let's get it. Until next time.
Until next time.
Until next time. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment any questions you guys got, and don't forget to subscribe to your boy. What's the next mod? Intercooler?
Carbon hood.
Carbon hood? I don't know. I don't know. Y'all gotta subscribe to see more. That's it. That's it. That's all I'm gonna say. Peace.
All right, guys. Here's the aftermath after the installation. Damn. Woo. Sounds a lot better. That's the aftermath after the installation, guys. Oh, here it is, guys. And we're live. Vroom, vroom.